How to recover Telegram account. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I will guide you on how you can recover your Telegram account, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now if you would like to recover your Telegram account, basically over here, let's say you happen to delete your account. Now you want to recover it. The main difference and the main key thing to understand here is that how long has it been since you tried deleting your account. Has it been a week? Has it been a month? Has it been over that? Because when you try to delete your account, Telegram will give you a certain time, which could be 15 days or 30 days. I'm not sure about that. So they will give you that certain time frame. Within that time frame, if you try to reactivate and relog into your account, you can gain access back into your Telegram account. Until then, it's only going to remain deactivated. But if it has been over that time frame, then your Telegram account would have been permanently deleted, and there is no way even Telegram themselves can help you with it. So you need to be really sure. If it has been over a week or just 2 or 3 days that you have tried deleting your account, you can still gain access back into your account by just trying to log in. So all you have to do is open up Telegram, just hit the start messaging option here, and once you hit the start messaging option, make sure you have access to the phone number though, otherwise you won't be able to recover it. Hit the arrow icon, it will send an activation code to your SMS. Make sure you enter the activation code, and then after that you will be able to go ahead and then successfully reactivate and recover your Telegram account. This way you can reactivate your Telegram account. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, queries, doubts, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you soon in our next video.